Hello guys, let's understand how this works. Okay, I'm doing a revision, but I want your practice to be more so that we can make sure that things will go smooth tomorrow in the exam. Okay, first question is 2x minus 1. Okay, a little darker. Right. 2x minus 1 equals to 3 over 4x plus 9. This is the question given. What is the first thing we need to understand is what are the x terms you have? You have these two x terms, okay? The terms with the variable, which I call as x terms here, which I don't know, where I don't know the value of x. So I'm trying to solve the value of x here. So what I need to understand is that these two are of one category, okay? So I should send these two onto one side and keep the remaining things. Like for example, I have negative 1 here and positive 9 here on the other side. Okay, so let me change the side of 3 over 4 and bring it to 2x. So if I change the side, you all know that if you change the side, sign changes, right? So let me change the side and so change the sign 3 over 4x. And what about this negative 1 here? Negative 1 should go to the other side to its number. You have 9 on the other side. So that should be equal to, you already have a 9 here. Send that negative 1 to the other side becomes positive 1. So this is where the whole trick lies. Okay. Now 2x minus 3 over 4. So what I need to know is how to subtract 3 over 4 from 2, which is a basic skill. I taught you the butterfly method. You can use the butterfly method, or if you know any other method like LCM method and all, it's fine. You can use it. How do you do this subtraction? See, 2 over 5 minus 3 over 4. So what you have here is 2 times 4, which is 8. I have the minus sign here, so I put the minus sign. 3 times 1 is 3 over 1 times 4 is 4, right? So this should be equal to 5 over 4. And because we have x here, so we'll put 5 over 4x equals to what? 10. 4 times 10, because 4 will go to the other side and will multiply it. So that becomes multiplied by 4 over 5 is in the multiplication. If it changes the side, it changes the sign to multiplication to division. So it becomes division. Okay. So 4 times 10 is 40 over 5, which is 8. See, what I say is calculations are okay. You can do it anyways, but the final answer is x equals to 8. Coming to the second question, this is quite easy one than the first one. Now this is what negative 10y. I'll erase the first part. Is that okay? Okay, no, I'll not erase it. I'll send this as a PDF file as well, right? So what do you have here? You have the distributive property to be applied. You have the distributive property to be applied, which is negative 10y. So this is the first question. Let's make a mark over that. Plus 8 threes are 8 times 3 here, which is 24. And 3 times 8 again, which is 24y, equals to negative 6 multiplied to y is negative 6y, and negative 6 multiplied to negative 4, which will be positive 24. Okay, so now this becomes negative 10y and positive 24y. That should be 14y plus 24 should give me what? Negative 6 plus 24. So negative 6y plus 24. All right. Now send this negative 6y to the other side, which is 14y plus 6y equals to, you will send the 24 to the other side, that makes it a 0 because 24 minus 24 is 0. So if I say, that means 20y, I'm sorry, this is 2y, 20y equals to 0. That means y equals to 0. This is what you need to know. If you have 20y, I'm sorry, I slipped a little here. 20y equals to 0, that means you will divide by 20 on both sides. Anyway, 0 by 20 is 0, so this should be equal to y equals to 0. Okay, so the answer is y equals to 0. Please don't solve the third question. I will ask you to refrain from that. It's okay. We will not go through this question even in the exam tomorrow, because fractions has become a problem for us. We will practice this skill a little more, and then we'll come back to this particular skill again in the exam. Okay, right. So we'll exclude question number. Uh, This one seems to be easy, so let us solve this one, which is z over 4, right? Z over 4 plus 1 by 12 is equals to z over 3 minus 1 by 6. All that you need to do is change the sides first. The side for z over 3 will come to left side. So that will make it z over 4 minus z over 3 equals to negative 1 over 6 minus 1 over 12. Now do the butterfly method here. Anyways, if you are okay with it, solve it. If you are not okay, please leave this. We are not finding this in the exam tomorrow. But the final answer in this case, for those who want, for those who wants to practice, this will be negative um, z, which is negative z over 12 equals to, so this will be negative 3 over 12. This implies z equals to 3. And we are not going to decimals anyways, so we can skip this question and solve this question, please. Right. So what is this? Half of 5m minus 2 equals to 2m plus 4. Now half multiplied to 2, you can simply multiply if you want to avoid fractions, you can simply multiply both sides by 2. Okay, so that will make life easy for us. This will cancel this half to this 2, so that becomes 5m minus 2 equals to 2 multiplied to 2 is 4m, right? And 2 multiplied to 4 is 8. Now change the sides, please. So this goes here, and negative 2 goes to the right side. 5m minus 4m, 5m minus 4m equals to 8 minus becomes plus 8 plus 2. So m equals to 10. Answer is 10. The seventh one is very, very easy. What do you have here? 16x minus 6 equals to 22. So simplest thing to do is 16x. You have to change the side of this 6, which will become positive, plus 6. 16x equals to 32. Divide by what? By 16 on both sides. So you'll get x equals to what? 2. So the answer is what? 2. Question number 8 till 15 will follow in the next video.